Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to boost your Snapchat score. That's actually super easy, but you need a lot of patience for this. I'm gonna tell you 4 tips on how to boost your Snapchat score. The first thing that we need to do is open the Snapchat app on our phone. Now here, what you need to do is first, send a bunch of snap every day. So you need to send it to whoever you like, and it will give you additional score or Snapchat score. And second, you need to open Snapchat that other people sent to you. Like in opening a snap that people sent to you, this will also boost your Snapchat score. So you just need to open it every day, view the snap, send snap. And the third one is view story and also start posting story. So once you add a story or even view a story, that will also help your Snapchat score. Here you will view other people's story. Now, the last tip that I could give to you is to avoid too much being a spammer. Like, for example, you take one snap and you send it to a whole bunch of people. That will not help boost your Snapchat score. So, you would like to avoid being a spammer. So, if you're consistent with that every day, in no time, you will boost your Snapchat score. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!